The selected value parameter represents the option the user chose during that round. To update the score, you will need to use the compound assignment operator to add the selected value to the total score. So let's write the total score and then the compound, the selected value. So we just added selected value to our total score with the compound assignment operator. So what it does again is that whatever is the value is in the right side will be added to the left side. But we have a problem. It says it is an option. This parameter is an option the user chose. So we cannot just add an option to this one, to the value of the total score. So it says, make sure to wrap your selected value parameter inside the parse int. And this is our key. So parse int, okay? And inside the parse int, since this string value needs to be converted into an integer. So again, this is a string, and we need to add a value to this total score since this is a an integer. So we have to convert this string to a value, to a number value to this total score. So perhaps we have here parse int what do you- we have a selected value option that has 1. That means option 1. And then let's parse int the selected value. Oops, that should be a string selected value. So therefore, it will output as 1, not as a string. Okay, so that would be it. Nice.